All right, this is Henry McClure Live, sending out a live video, creating a live video of what we get going here. Now understand, this thing has worked great for months. And then I installed the little gas fireplace, and then this is what happens now. Check it out. So we get the hot water going. Here we are. Well, wouldn't you know, during the live demonstration, nothing happens. By now, it usually shuts off. There we go. And right now, I'm not running the stove. There's no pilot lights on the stove, and then the pilot lights on the little heater. All right, let me see if I can find the serial numbers on the side here. I don't know, I can't read anything there. Maybe I'll have to bring some light down here.